Alrighty, welcome back. I'm Kevin Lampron from RoyaltyFunnels.com, and in this video we're going to talk about menus. So it is a very simple and easy process to do, and we're going to show you how to do it. So the first thing that you're going to do after you've created your site, as you can see right here, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to see what theme that I'm using right now. So I'm actually going to open this up in another tab. Okay, so right now I'm using the royalty theme, and I'm actually going to change this theme. I'm actually going to use a different theme, and we're going to go to the royalty 2 theme. So we're going to actually come down here and you're going to see the royalty 2 theme. So I'm actually going to go to this theme and we're going to activate that. Because this one will actually be a little easier to show you the menus with, because it's going to be already right there for me. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is I am going to actually take a peek at what it looks like right now. So let's go ahead and open it up. And as you can see here, we already have a menu already listed here. So as soon as you load this theme up, it's gonna load the pages that you've already created right here up on top, right? So this is your menu, right? So if I go ahead and I click on product number 1, it's gonna take me to product number 1, right? And so product number 1 was just basically a demo page or whatever like that. So let's go ahead and show you, and let's create it from scratch. Alright, so now we're going to go here, we're in Appearance, and we're going to go to Menu. So as we click on Menu, it's going to take us to the menu page. And as you see right here, we don't have any menus. So that's why it does that, it loads that all up. So the first thing that we need to do is actually create a menu. And so the way to do that is right up on top, it says Edit your menu below or create a new menu. So we're going to create a new menu. We're going to left click on that. And then now, right down here, it says menu name. So we're going to go ahead and put a menu name there. So we're going to call this, I usually just call this primary. There it is, primary menu. And then I just go ahead and over here on the right where it says create menu, go ahead and create it. Alright, so now that it's done, all we have to do now is, as you can see here, it shows you menu structure, add menus that we want from the left hand side over here, and then we have the menu settings. And since we're calling this our primary menu, I'm going to go ahead and check the primary tab right here and make sure that's selected. And then any pages that I want to select and bring over here, then that will be part of our menu structure. So I'm just going to go ahead and click save for right now, because we haven't clicked anything, because we're actually going to create we're going to actually create pages for our menu. So like right now, if I go back to the site, there's not going to be anything there, I believe. So as you see, it's gone, right? The menu bar is gone now, because now we've dedicated an actual menu for that top area. So in order to make a menu, we actually got to create one. So let's go ahead and create it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create we're going to go to pages, and we're going to actually create a page. And since we're going to go ahead and do this, I'm going to go ahead and add new, and I'm going to create a home page. Okay, so we're just going to call this one home, and this will be our home page. And depending upon what I want to do, I can actually come over here to this, because of this theme, I can actually come over here to the sidebar and see this is royalty theme 2 settings. The other one was the royalty theme, and usually I just take off the footer and header. But on this one, I can actually customize it a different way. So I can actually remove the sidebar if I don't want it, and I can actually, the content layout, I can actually make it a full width stretched if I want. And then if I wanted to disable any of these, I could do that as well. But we're just going to go ahead and leave it alone. And then I'm going to go ahead and put publish. And because I want to go ahead and create these pages quickly, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and select the royalty page builder. And then we're going to go ahead and just click one of the templates, one of the home templates that we provide. So this is going to load up. There we go. And we're going to go to templates right up here, and we're going to go ahead and click it. And we're going to click the drop down, and then I'm going to go to the power packs. And then we're going to see home pages right here. So I'm just going to click the very first one, because all we're doing is we're just creating menus. We're not showing you how to edit anything, do anything, or anything like that. We're just creating a home page. So right now, this is our home page. We're good to go. This is great. Looks fantastic. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click done and then publish. So now that page is done, right? So that page is done. Now we're going to go over here to where our menu, where, you know, our site's called training tutorials. So we're going to go ahead and click that. We're going to go back to our dashboard. And then now we're going to create another page, right? We're going to go ahead and create, let's do an About Me page. So here's our home page. Now let's do an About Me page. There we go, About Me. And we'll go back to the sidebar settings. We probably don't need to do this, but we're going to do it anyways, just in case. And then full width stretched. Go ahead and publish. And then after it publishes, then we're going to come over here right where it says the Royalty Builder. Right here, Royalty Builder. And we're going to go ahead and click on the Royalty Builder. All right, and then that's going to load up, and then here we go. And then we're going to go right back up to the templates. And then we're going to go back to the Power Pack, and then we're going to look for an About Me page. And here it is. This is Architect. Now we'll just do something different. We'll do a different About Me page. Actually, you know something? We'll go to the content pages. Here it is, content pages right here. This actually has all those. So here's the About Us and all that kind of stuff. We could do any of these. And so I'm gonna choose this one right here because I like the little stuff right here, or I could do the About Me that's right here. And actually, let's do this one. So we're gonna go ahead and click this one. So there you go. That's a pretty nice looking page, and it has the nice little elements that are right there. Pretty awesome stuff. It's got a little even testimonial stuff right there. Pretty awesome. We're gonna go ahead and click done. And we're going to go ahead and put publish. Then we're going to go back over to that tab again. Now we're going to create another page. We're just going to hover over page, and then we're going to just go ahead and I could have clicked new, but I accidentally clicked it. We're going to add new. So we got the home, we got About Me, and we're going to go ahead and click this one again. And we're going to go ahead and create, we'll do services. We're going to come back over here. We're going to go no sidebar, full width stretched, publish. Then we're going to come over to the Royalty Builder again. We're going to left click on that. It's going to load the page back up. Then we're going to come back over here to the templates. Then we're going to come back to the content pages. And then there's our services right here. We'll just go ahead and click on this first one. There it is. It's pretty awesome, right? It's already got our services. We're already set up. We're good to go. We're going to go ahead and click done. Publish. Okay, go back to the dashboard. Okay, we're going to do... Actually, we're good. We're good. We have 3 pages. We don't need any more. I'm sure you guys get the redundant stuff that we're doing here. Up. No, it's right here. Okay, services right here. It's in alphabetical order. Okay, so we got right here. We have home, About Me, and services. So if you want any more, you just go ahead and you create more. So now what we're going to do is we're actually going to go and create our menu. So we're going to go to menu now. We're going to go to appearance and then menu. So we'll left click on menu. And now you'll see, because the pages, what we just created, most recent, is home, About Me, and services. So we're going to go ahead and check, and check. And then right down here it says add to menu. So we're going to go ahead and left click on that, and it's going to add all 3 of those there. But we're going to put these in the order that we want them. So we're going to go ahead and put that on top and put that right there. And so now we have them in an order that we want. And we're going to go ahead and save the changes. So now if we go ahead and visit the site, now that you'll see it's there, home, about me, and services. So if I click on the home page, we're going to go to the home page. There it is. Isn't that beautiful? That is a snazzy looking home page. That is pretty dope, right? I like it. I really like this. This is a really nice looking page, and you can get that here at royaltyfunnels.com. And you can go ahead and click on the About Me page, and that will take you to the About Me section. Now, just to let you all know, this is not me. I am not Jennifer Jones. I am Kevin Lampron. And I am not a woman. I am actually a man. So let's go ahead and we're just letting you see what this looks like. This is pretty awesome. And you even also have a cool looking background back here. It's pretty cool. Yeah, and then you also have your testimonials down here at the bottom. Yeah, this is a pretty nice About Me page, and there's also a couple other ones that you can look at. Then you have the services, and you just go ahead and you left click on that, and there is your services page, and it talks about all the stuff that you have here and your planning, development, your launch, and you're good to go. So that is pretty much it. And you can also set your home page to be the main page of your site. And the way that you do that, if you want to be able to set that up, is you just go back to your training tutorials or whatever your site name is, or you can click on dashboard. And you'll scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see settings. And you can go right there where it says reading, and you'll left click on that. And then when you get over here, you're going to see a spot that says static page. So you'll left click on that, and then your home page, you're going to select it, and you just select that to be your home. The home is going to be your home page. And then you just go ahead and you save your changes. So now when I go back to this and I visit the site, it's actually going to take me to that home page now. See? That's pretty awesome. Now, so now that you have an full understanding on how the menus work, if you want to, you can also do a couple other things with the menu, and we'll show you how that's done here too, and we'll do that really fast. So we'll come back down to the menus. So let's just say that I want to have the services underneath the About Me spot. So I could just do that, and I can make it a sub menu underneath that, right? And then also, if you want, you can also see how it says display mode? If you have it set to where you are if you want people to log into your site or become a member or something like that, you can also make it to where only logged in members can see this, right? So it's pretty cool. But anyways, you have it set up like this, and you can also change the navigation title. So if you wanted to say something else besides About Me, even though you named the page About Me, you can name the navigation label something different. So it's pretty cool. But right now we have the services as a sub menu. So we're going to go ahead and save that. And then we'll come over here, and then you'll see the services will be underneath the About Me spot. So we're going to go ahead and refresh that. And so right now you don't see services anymore. And then now if we go over here, now it's underneath this, right? So you can click on About Me or services. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, that's pretty simple, pretty easy. And like I said, if you have any other questions about menus, you can always contact our support, or you can contact myself. My name is Kevin Lampron, and our support is going to be very simple to easy to get to. You can actually go to the Royalty Funnels site, and actually on the bottom right hand corner you will see the support tab that's going to be right down here as soon as this page loads up. And look at, oh, this is such an awesome intro to loading up your page. Let you know that the page is loading up, and you get all that, the landing page, the lion, all that kind of, that's pretty dope, huh? So anyways, you have this right here, and it says ask us anything you want to know, and then you can just start chatting with our support. You just open this up, and it's good to go, and ask anything you want about Welded Funnels, and either myself or our support agent will get back to you, and that's it. So with that being said, we're going to see you in the next video.